Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Chips. Please subscribe to get latest video updates. In this video we are going to learn how to install Visual Studio 2019 Community version on Windows 10. So guys, I am going to show you all the steps which are required to install Microsoft Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition. Earlier there were couple ways which you could install Visual Studio. Installing it from a DC-ROM drive. Downloading and installing. These days what Microsoft did is they have come up this approach of allowing online installation directly downloading from their servers. Microsoft has done that to control the piracy of the application. Now they can track every installation done. Earlier it was very difficult for them to track this. In this video I am going to use the online installation only. So stay tuned and watch this video until end. Because in the end I am going to discuss something interesting related to Microsoft technology.
Hello guys, in this section of the video I'm going to show you how you can install Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition on your machine. So you can just open a browser and you can put this search query in the Google, and when you do this you will have all these results available here. So there will be so many entries which you will get here, but you need to go to Microsoft website, and so this is the authentic Microsoft website. You can go here, and there you will have the option of selecting which version of the Visual Studio you want to install. So this is the community version. Here you can see here there are all three versions are available for download. You can download community version, you can download professional version, you can also download the enterprise version. So in this video we are actually going to talk about the community edition of Microsoft Visual Studio. So you can hit this button here, and then Visual Studio download will start, and then this screen will come up. It will say thank you for downloading, and it will ask you to save the file on your computer. So okay, and then you can choose a location where you want to save it, and that's it. So once the Visual Studio download is complete, okay, so what will happen is you can go to that download location and run the installer setup. So when you will do that, this screen will come up. Here we have this complete features or options which are available for installing Microsoft Visual Studio 2019. So you can select whatever options you want to select to do the installation. So I'm selecting a couple of them, okay, like these two, and then we have these all the features related to these will come on the right hand side. And then we have two options here. We can do the installation while it is downloading it, or we can directly install it. So this is how you can download. You can actually get up to this point by downloading the setup installer. Now let's say just hit the installation button. Okay, so it's asking for some kind of survey, so I'm going to skip for now. We'll do the survey later on. And now you can see here on this screen Visual Studio 2019 Community Edition installation has started. So Microsoft actually has come up with these tools wherein these installers are very lightweight, which can be downloaded quickly, and then user can run those installers, and then those installers do the downloading of the actual software from their server, and then they do the installation also. So I think it's a good way for Microsoft to control the piracy of the applications. So this is how basically a quick view of how you can install Visual Studio 2019 community edition on Microsoft Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. And also, yeah, I talked about something which I wanted to discuss in this video. So guys, Microsoft has come up with this new technology which is called .NET 5, and I believe that it is going to be the future of .NET. So what they are doing, making .NET completely open and fully cross-platform. So now can you imagine that you write code in C# for everything, whatever platform that exists in the globe. So let's say you are a machine learning programmer, and you need to learn Python, and you are not very interested in that. But when this .NET 5 will be available in the market, you can write machine learning code in C#, and that too in Visual Studio. So similarly, this will be possible for other platforms and technologies also. So it is going to be one of the very good thing that is coming up from Microsoft. I have created one video on what all features are there in .NET 5. So you can go through that video, and it's there on my channel. You can search it, and you can go through it, and you may find it very interesting. So thank you.
Please comment your views about the video and subscribe to get more similar video on my channel. Thank you for watching this video.